Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, we're going to take a look at EXNESS and interactive brokers to see which is the best brokerage for trading. So as you can see, we have a list with different features. So as you can see, we have target users. On EXNESS, we have Forex and CFD traders, beginners to advanced. On interactive brokers, professional traders, wide asset classes. Then we have markets offered, trading platforms, fees and commissions. So as you can see, some accounts are commission free on EXNESS, and on interactive brokers, as you can see, really low commissions. The minimum deposit for all of them, as you can see, for both of them is at least $1. So here you have the option to open account for free basically, and you don't have to deposit any money at all. And here we have a summary. So basically choose EXNESS if you want straightforward Forex CFD trading with low minimums, and choose interactive brokers if you need professional grade tools and a wider asset selection. So basically that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.